Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video today, and today's topic is about, well, I've been reading a lot of articles lately coming out of certain high places saying about the keto diet, how it can shorten your life, how it can kill you, how it's not good for you. You should have more carbohydrates, stuff like that. And I'm reading these things, and they did a study for somebody 25 years of life, and they didn't accurately, write down and take note of everything eating every day for 25 years. But they're trying to say, well, low carb carbohydrates will shorten your lifespan, will kill you because you eat more meat, which are fats, and they want you to eat more carbohydrates. So I don't get it where sugar is bad for you. Eating a burger, bacon, yeah, it may be bad for you, but it does have some kind of value to you. It has vitamins, it has minerals in it that's pretty good for you. I don't understand why they want you to have more sugar. They want you to eat more cake. Cake is not good for you. It tastes good, but just not good for you. Burgers have protein in it. That's good for you. And you want to build muscle, you eat more lean meat, or not lean meat, fatty meat. I don't understand these studies going on about the keto and sugar. They want you to have more sugar. I've done a keto diet for 2 months. I feel fantastic. I feel great. It's very good for inflammation. If you have arthritis in your knees or joints or your hand, hips, this will definitely help inflammation. It will help inflammation in your whole body, because I have literally way less pain in my left knee. I have made more energy. I don't crash during the end of the day. I'm not tired. I feel great. So they want you to eat more carbohydrates or eat more sugar for what? So I can live a little bit longer. But I'm feeling great now. I feel wonderful now. Why would I go back to what I was eating before? So I guess they're trying to discourage people to not do the keto diet, not to stop eating sugar, because the sugar companies and these cakes, ice cream, and cookies need people to buy it so they can make more money. So let's ask us this question: is sugar good for you? Yes or no? And the answer is no. Sugar is never good for you. It's never good for you. When you consume a lot of sugar, you get sleepy, you get tired, inflammation rise up, and you keep eating a lot of sugar, you have diabetes. So if sugar and carbs can create a disease, staying away from it won't cause a disease, but they want you to. It just doesn't make any sense to me. They want you to stay away from sugar to prevent a disease, but then they want you to consume more the sugar so you may get the disease, but you'll live longer. Does that make any sense to you? I'm trying to avoid the diabetes, but I'll live a little longer, but I'll be sick though. I'd rather don't have diabetes from jump. That's my thing. I don't want diabetes. If I can eat this foods now and feel great, well, why not? It's crazy. Just Google that stuff. You could Google can keto kill you? And then I think most of these writers are vegans. There's vegans, people who can't do the keto diet because the plants don't give them the fat to make them not eat less. But I watch a video on the keto diet, and the vegan was how bad it is, and it's not good for you, and raise your blood pressure, and you get sick. And I'm like, bro, have you tried it? And just do it for a month, and I feel fantastic. I have no sugar cravings. I don't want a donut. I don't want cookies and ice cream. I don't want syrup, because I know what the syrup's going to do to me. You know what I'm saying? I know if I consume all this sugar, how I'm going to feel. I'm going to feel bloated. I'm I'm gonna feel tired. I'll get fatigued. I'm gonna start getting weight. My knees start hurting me. So why eat sugar? You feel what I'm saying? So it's like I eat burgers and chicken so I can eat less food. Okay, so eat eggs so I can eat less food. You have to have fat so you can go one meal to the other meal without eating. So when you read these journals and these articles, and it's put in perspective. If you're doing a keto diet, you know how much you feel. I heard so many success stories. People lost so much weight, they feel better, they're on medication. I did the juice diet like a year ago. I did the juicing diet. I watched that Joe Crouch juicing diet, and I watched the movie. So we juiced for 10 days. We juiced for 10 whole days. All we had was vegetables and fruit, and and no food. Just drink a drink in the morning, a drink for lunch, and a drink for dinner. And I did it for 10 days, and I didn't lose no weight. Now I probably got to do it longer. I probably had too much fruit in it, but whatever. I didn't lose no weight. And I couldn't figure out why I can't lose no weight. Why am I not losing weight? I felt great. Why am I losing no weight? I felt my legs felt great. I felt fantastic. I had energy all day, and I wasn't losing no weight. And then after doing the keto diet, I realized that all the fruits that I was juicing, I was taking the fiber out of the juice, so I was having straight sugar. And drinking fruit, mangoes, and we're doing cherries and watermelon, melons, and cantaloupe, and kiwi and grapes, and all the fruits, strawberries, all of them fruits had, like mangoes had a lot of sugar. I was consuming all that sugar, carbohydrates and sugar, and that's why I wasn't losing the weight. So with this keto diet, I feel the same way I felt when I was juicing. I felt great. I'm feeling great. My knee don't bother me. I'm feeling good. But now I'm losing weight. Now my clothes fit a little bit looser now. I see my waistline better now. I can wear a belt on my clothes now. I feel great. I spend less money on food. I'm not juicing. With the juicing, it took me forever to juice that crap. It's messy. You gotta clean all that crap up, wash the juicer out. You're going to do maybe 2-3 days of juicing. You can't do 5 days because, on the 5th day, it'll start going bad. So you gotta juice Monday, Tuesday. So I juice Sunday for Monday, Tuesday, and then juice again on Wednesday. It took a long time to juice. You gotta cut everything up, cut up lemons, cut up ginger root, cut up pineapples, cut all that crap up, cut all that crap up, put it in the juice, do dishes. Too much stress. Too much. This is way easier. I'm not as hungry as I was before. I'm not as hungry. I eat 2 meals a day, or a meal or a snack. The cooking is better. The food tastes better. The food is easier to cook. I'm not making pasta and potatoes, and I'm just making a boneless burger, or I'm frying chicken, or I'm doing bacon, eggs, easy meals, sauteed spinach, and sauteed mushrooms, cut some onions up, cook that. The meal is way easier. So this is my little rant of all the things I've been hearing about the keto diet. It's gonna kill you. You're gonna lose your life in 10 years. It's gonna raise your cholesterol, your blood sugar, your blood pressure go up high. I had none of those effects, man. I'm feeling fantastic. I'm eating way less. My insulin level is really low. I'm losing weight. Just think about it. You go on a diet to lose weight. That's what you go on diet for. You go on diet because you're losing weight. If you were skinny, you wouldn't be on the diet. You would try to eat what you want to eat because you ain't gaining no weight. So now they're saying the diet gonna kill you. I'll go on diet to lose weight, but that's what helped me on some areas, but gonna kill me later on. It makes no sense to me. So this is Ty for That'sKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Comment below about the keto diet. Are you on a keto diet? What's your success? Are you having success? And I'll see you next time.